Well, my name is Mike, and I'm going to show you how you can resend tickets in Oveit. So, to get started, the first thing you need to do, if you want to resend tickets to your attendees, in your registration forms, that is step number 4 in the Oveit event setup, you should have enabled at least one email address field. So, in my case, I've added this email address field and I've saved my registration forms. Now, when someone registers for my event, I will get to see my attendees in a list like this. This is the button that says attendees under your event name. And you can see there's a small icon here that shows a small paper plane. If you press it, the system will automatically fill in the email address from the registration form if there is one filled in. And if there's not an email address field in the registration form, it will automatically search for, extract, and fill in the data for the information that was placed in the order. So the person who has purchased the tickets will be the one receiving the tickets. If there is an email address in the registration form, which might be the case for conferences, conventions with multiple delegates, the ticket resend will be sent to that particular person. So that comes in handy, especially at the on-site registration when someone fails to find their own tickets. This is a quick way to help them get started. Thanks.